I'm Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized, a channel that takes meat recipes and makes them vegan. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe below, like and comment. Alright, let's get started. Okay, today on Get Veganized we're going to make black bean chocolate pudding. First we're going to add 1 can of black beans that have been drained and strained. Next, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Next, I will add a 1/4 cup of cocoa. To that, I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to blend it up and give it a taste. Smells really good. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it into some cups and chill it, and I'll taste it in an hour or two. Alright, it's been about an hour. This is what it looks like. And this tastes really good. Really good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, a like, leave me a comment. Tell me where you're from. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, you!